Welcome back to Living 757, ladies. You guys know the city of Virginia Beach is one of the premier places to visit or vacation on the East Coast. And with the major renovation project near completion, the Woodstock Skate Park is looking to be one huge attraction, whether you live here or you're just visiting. So here to tell us more, Julie Braley. She's public relations, content manager, marketing, and resource development with the City of Virginia Beach Parks and Recreation. Welcome to the show, Julie.
Hi, good to see you.
Hey, we are glad to be here, Julie.
Yes.
With you, of course, because you're making it like we can all enjoy some cool stuff outside. So tell us why this Woodstock Skate Park renovation was so important.
Well, it was a really exciting partnership that came up between the city and the Hampton Roads Sanitation District, and we were really excited to work with them to make this happen. So they needed a location to install a wet weather offline storage tank, and we happened to have a great location for it. We also were in need of some skate park renovations and some other park renovations. And because of this partnership, we were able to make all of that stuff happen at one time. And HRSC is providing an amazing new skate facility that's going to be an attraction for people locally and from out of state as well.
I bet.
Yes, I love the skate parks. And also, this is such a big project. And you guys come up with this idea during COVID-19. How about the regulations and the time for the kids so that they can join the park?
My parks are busier than ever right now. Due to COVID, I mean, we have seen such an uptick in park attendance, which is fantastic. We want people to be outside, enjoying them, taking advantage of all that there is to offer here in Virginia Beach. We have, over 300 parks and miles and miles and miles of trails and things for people to enjoy. And this project is really coming together at just the right time. We'll be opening in June this year. And just another great facility for kids to get out and enjoy. It'll be coinciding with the end of school, so they'll really be able to get out and take advantage of this great new spot.
Yeah, I think this is great. Perfect time, like you just say it.
Yeah, I really love that you all are providing happy, healthy ways for kids to get outside and enjoy the outdoors. Now, there are a couple other skate parks also in Virginia Beach. What makes this so different from the others?
Well, this is a 30,000 square foot facility, so it's huge. I've had the pleasure of being able to go check it out while it's under construction, and I think people are just going to be absolutely blown away with what it has to offer. It's got bowls, it's got a snake run, which is something we don't have at the other parks. It just has all different areas for different levels of abilities, so from your really advanced skaters to people who are just picking up the sport. And it offers opportunities not just for skateboarders, but if you do BMX or if you are into rollerblading, we have a lot of people that come use scooters and things like that. So there's really something for everybody to enjoy at this new facility, in addition to our other great set of skate parks that just kind of round out what we offer as a city.
Now, really quickly, I have a question from our amazing Cindy. What are the little pyramid things that were in the back of that photo?
That is part of the design. Actually, that is where the tank is, right below that. So this is a really innovative project. The fact that you have this state-of-the-art skate park built on top of the tank. So that was part of the design components and what we were able to do. So those actually can be removed by a crane when they need to get down and access the tank to do work. So really the whole design of it is just, it's meant to be visually striking as well as functional. And I think people are going to be, just like I said, absolutely blown away when they get to see it.
I think so too.
Thank you.
That's already amazing. Thank you.